An intermediate magnitude 5.2 earthquake was reported in the evening near Marti Davao Oriental, Davao, Philippines. According to the German Search Center for Geosciences (GFC), the quake hit on Thursday, December 29, 2022 at 9:13 p.m. local time at an intermediate depth of 128 km. The strength of the earthquake may have been tempered by its relative grade by depth below the surface, which makes it feel weaker in absolute terms. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake may be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their reports. A second report was later issued by the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake, which listed it as a magnitude 5.3 quake. A third agency, the European Mediterranean Seismological Center (EMSC), reported the same quake at magnitude 5.5.